Assalamu alaikum, this is Halal Foods Kitchen and today we're making Malaysian butter chicken. Such a delicious dish and so easy to prepare. So let's start. I'm going to be using chicken breast, boneless and skinless. This is 1 kilo. You can use whole chicken if you want. I'll start with the seasoning. This is 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. I'll mix the seasoning well. Make sure everything is mixed well. And now start cutting the chicken breasts. We'll cut them into medium-sized cubes. If you're using the whole chicken, it's better to have it cut in small pieces as well. We'll be frying it later on. Now I've finished cutting the chicken. I'll mix it with the seasoning to marinate the chicken. We'll need 2 eggs for the marination, but we'll mix the seasoning with the chicken first. Make sure we mix it very well, so all the pieces of chicken is well coated with the seasoning. You can make this step a day before and keep it in the fridge. Now we'll add the 2 eggs and mix them very well together. Make sure everything is mixed very well, so the chicken will be well marinated. Give it a good mix. Everything should be nicely coated. Cover it with plastic wrap and keep it in the fridge for at least an hour before starting to fry it. Now we'll start frying it on a medium heat. Make sure you heat the oil before starting to fry. It won't take long. Chicken breasts will take around 2 minutes on each side. When it's nice and golden, then you know it's done. It will be nice and crispy. And the same thing, we will fry the whole batch that we have prepared. Now we will start preparing the butter sauce. In a non-stick pot on low heat, we have 2 tablespoons of butter. We will add 2 cloves of mashed garlic to the butter. And we will add now the curry leaves. green curry leaves. They will give the smell and the taste of this dish, which is really amazing. It will give that wonderful taste and smell. Some more curry leaves. Give them a nice mix. And now I will add chilies to the mix. I have used one red and one green chili. I've chopped them. If you like it spicier, you can use more. If you like it less spicy, you can use less. And remember, I'm using all these amounts of ingredients because I've used 1 kilo of chicken. This is evaporated milk. It's non-sweetened. I'll use 2 cans, 2 whole cans. So if you're using less chicken, you can minimize the amounts of ingredients that you're using. This is the second can. And your sauce is about to be ready. It's just missing the seasoning. We'll season it with 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of sugar. And some black pepper. And that's it. Leave it on the low heat until it starts simmering. You switch the heat off. That's it. I turned the heat off and we'll start adding the chicken to it. It smells so wonderful and it's so delicious. I hope you try it. It's served with white rice. If you liked today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and see you again with a new recipe. Thanks so much for watching.